In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your HP NY Inspire 7255E printer. So first thing is to switch on the printer, so press the power button and now open the front door as like this. Open this panel. Inside the printer you will see the ink cartridges are here. Press it down and take the ink cartridge out. So it's easy. Now take your new ink cartridge, remove the seals and place it here and then slide this in. So once you hear a lock sound, that means it is installed properly. Coloring same way. Now press the door down, close the front door. After a few seconds your printer is ready. If it prints alignment page, let it do it, and after that you can use this printer. So this way we can replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.